One of the best things that can happen to you online today is making some real cash just by watching YouTube short videos. For every 10 seconds you watch YouTube videos on this website I'm about to share with you, you get credited, not with points nor gift card, but with real cash. This is one of the simplest, the easiest method of making money online. Very simple, very easy and straightforward. I myself have been able to make some cash from this website just within 30 seconds of trying this out. That is to tell you that I have tried and tested it, and I can categorically tell you that this website works and it will work for you and it's for everyone. All countries can make money from this website. There are no restrictions to any country. The good thing I love about this website is that you will not be needing a PayPal account to withdraw your money from this website. Yes, you heard me right. So if you're from any of this country that does not accept PayPal, you don't have to worry about that here, okay? Another good thing I love about this method of making money online is that you don't need to have any experience or technical intelligence before you can make money here, right? That is to say that this method of making money is very easy and real. All that you need is your device and just little of your time. Now I'll be taking you through a quick order of payment so you can understand what this website looks like. Secondly, I'll be showing you how you can sign up on this website. And lastly, I'll be showing you how you can earn money by watching videos and also be able to withdraw your money to your preferred accounts. So stick around with me to the end of this video so I can put you right and also get you started immediately. If you're just coming across my channel, my name is Chidi. I'm a Make Money Online enthusiast and I'm passionate about helping you make money online. On this channel, I talk about possible ways of making money online, and I also share grant opportunities that can help you scale and grow your business online, and you end up making a lot of money for yourself. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, I'd love you to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, also turn your notification bell on and make sure that it is on the all option so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload beautiful and interesting videos that can help you make money on the online space. Now, to get you started with making money on this platform, you can use the link right in the comments section and get started. The name of this website is called workers.cash. Workers.cash. Right on the interface, as you can see, it says watch and earn real cash. So basically, you can earn real money for watching short videos without any investment or any skill for you to earn from this website. Workers.cash is one of the best websites that will pay you real money for watching videos. This website has paid over $68,000 out to its members within 128 working days. Moving forward, you will see that there are different levels to which you can operate on this platform, ranging from level 1 to level 12. Level 1, which is the entry level, has a withdrawal fee of just 4%. Level 2 has a withdrawal fee of 3.8%. And level 3 has a withdrawal fee of 3.5%. Level 4 has a withdrawal fee of 3.2%. And it keeps reducing for each level until you get to level 12. Also on this website, you do not only earn by watching videos on this website, you can also earn by using their affiliate program. Right at the bottom of this page, you'll find their email address and their Telegram community chat group where you can lay a complaint if you have any. That is to show you how real they are at helping you make some real cash on this website. To sign up, simply click on this button right here that says Start Earning, and you choose the account you want to sign up with, or you use another account option where you have to fill in your email address and complete your sign up process. And this is how your dashboard will look like. This is how much I've been able to earn from this website. I earn this money within few seconds of watching videos here. Now I'm going to watch another video for you to see that this money keeps increasing each time you watch a video. All I need to do now is to click on watch video and it plays for 10 seconds and boom, my payment is added. But as a beginner, what you'll be seeing on your screen is Start Earning. You simply click on it and it will take you to the interface where video will be displayed for you to watch. So after you're done watching one video, the next video will pop up and you keep watching. The more video you watch, the more money you are making. And right on this website, there are daily bonus you can earn once in a day. Now, to withdraw your money from this website, you simply click on this money that you have earned, or you click on the 3 dashed lines displayed at the right hand side of your screen and it will take you to this page. Now you have to specify the wallet with which you want to withdraw your money. They have payer, the minimum withdrawal is $2. They also have Add Cash. They have Tron, that's TRS for those that want crypto. They also have Doge or USDT. Just click on specify and it will take you to where you either fill your account details or you create an account if you don't have any. And when you are done, you simply click on save changes and your account details is saved on this platform. And then you come here and state the amount you want to withdraw. So make sure that you have earned up to $2 before you can withdraw here. Then you go ahead to tick on I am not a robot, and then you request for your payout. So I want you to note that you'll be charged commission based on your level, just like I said earlier, and your payment is processed within 72 hours. That's if you're in level 1 to 4. And once you get to the 5th level, your payment is processed instantly. So you don't need to panic once you didn't get your payment on time. It is based on your level. If you're in level 1 to 4, your payment will be processed in 72 hours. Once you get to level 5 to the rest, your payment is being processed instantly. So guys, try this out immediately and see for yourself that you're leaving a lot of money on the table. If you got value, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until my next video, love you all.